Okay, this is in town in Saint Vincent. That's the courthouse. This is Korea's, Coreas. I don't think this is the hardware store. I think this is a supermarket. All right. There's a couple main streets, so I'll show you the other one also. Okay, this is the other main street. Hello. Oops. There used to be like a taxi stand, Little Tokyo they call it. This is the police station in town. I think that tall building there is the government planning office. Saint Vincent police motorcycle. Police vehicles, I believe. No, I'm sorry, it's not. The entrance to the police station. I think I saw the commissioner. He looked like it. Forgot his name. This is the flow of traffic on an afternoon. Police motorcycles. A lot of these little boutique stores, I think they're folks from Taiwan that owns them or rents them, own them, whatever. SGVG Police Cooperative Credit Union. A lot of these boutique. Yeah, I think that was, I remember the planning department, central planning department was there. Courts, furniture store, and department store. All right, let's fast forward. You see a few people sitting down on the sidewalk. Nice, colorful shirts. A lot of tabletop boutiques on the sidewalk. Cobblestone Inn restaurant. So it looks like a couple big cruise ships over there. You see them behind the building? I think it's Mediterranean Cruise Line, MCL. They port in Saint Vincent. All right, this is a short town view. A lot of these Japanese cars, small cars, Suzuki, right-hand steering wheel, drive on the left side of the road. All right, that's it.